There's something undeniably powerful, even transformative, about slipping into a pair of sexy, ultra-gorgeous high heels, the kind that immediately shifts your energy, elevates your confidence, and turns the simple act of walking into a full-on statement. These heels aren't just accessories, they're declarations. They say, without a word, that you know exactly who you are and you've arrived to be seen. Whether it's prom night, a red carpet moment, or just an evening where you want to feel like the most glamorous version of yourself, the right pair of heels changes everything. From the moment you fasten that delicate strap or zip up the side, you feel it, that subtle boost in height, in posture, in attitude. The curve of the arch, the gleam of metallics, the shimmer of crystals or rhinestones catching the light with every movement, it's all a kind of art, sculpted for beauty and boldness. Imagine a pair of stilettos with sleek, glossy patent leather that reflects the world like glass, or velvet heels with gold hardware and intricate embroidery that whisper luxury in every stitch. Some are adorned with bows at the back of the ankle, others with gemstone accents that glisten like jewelry for your feet. The silhouette's very razor-sharp pointed toes for a fierce, fashion-forward vibe, or open-toe platforms that scream bombshell glam with every step. And the colors, oh, the colors. You could go with classic black, commanding and timeless, or step into a fiery red that instantly evokes passion and seduction. Maybe it's a glimmering silver or gold for a Cinderella meets runway moment, or a bold pop of neon pink, cobalt blue, or deep emerald that lets your heels do all the talking. But what really makes these high heels ultra gorgeous isn't just how they look, it's how they make you feel. They invite you to walk taller, smile wider, and move with a rhythm that's completely your own. It's about tapping into that feminine power, the kind that says you're not afraid to take up space, to be admired, to lead the room with confidence. When paired with the perfect prom dress or evening gown, they elevate your entire look literally and figuratively. The slit in your dress becomes more dramatic. The curve of your leg is accentuated. The way your body shifts when you strut, it's seductive, it's graceful, and it's unstoppable. These heels make you feel like you're floating just above the world, existing in your own empowered universe, where fashion meets fantasy and style becomes identity. And while they're sexy, they're never desperate, because true allure doesn't try too hard. It's subtle yet striking, elegant yet bold. These heels walk that fine line perfectly, balancing sultry design with refined beauty. They're designed to command attention, yes, but also respect. And despite what many believe, these high heels aren't just about appearances. The best pairs are crafted with comfort in mind: a padded boot bed here, an adjustable ankle strap there, a platform sole that adds inches without the pain. Because what's the point of looking incredible if you can't dance, strut, or even stand for long enough to enjoy it? The magic lies in the blend, a shoe that's as wearable as it is jaw-dropping. Designers now craft heels with engineered support, hidden cushioning, and clever architecture so that the beauty of the shoe
Artlist.io